Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Today is a very exciting day for me. After the rain has come and the garden is naturally striving. Alright, so what we're gonna harvest today, we're gonna harvest broccoli, which is this big massive beautiful broccoli here. I should have done harvest it already. I noticed some white flies around. Beautiful broccoli, man. Nice beautiful broccoli. This cabbage was, me and the worms them had a really strong fight with these cabbage, and basically I struggle with them, I battle with them, and now I able to harvest a couple cabbage. So it's not about giving up, it's about coming in the garden and search, trying to get rid of the worms them, and you stand a chance of able to getting a couple of cabbage. This is the next one here. Well, this one we see in the white flies, we hardly see any worms, so let's harvest this one too. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing with this in a minute. This one still a little soft. We have a next broccoli right here, so let me take this broccoli. We have a next one here. We harvest from this broccoli already, and it pushing outside shoot. So this is it, guys. Not a big harvest. Oh, this is good too. Not a big harvest, but it worth the while growing something for yourself. We also harvest some onions over here. Not too big, but they're looking pretty good. So we have scallion to harvest. We have our ginger, our potatoes start coming in, and our beans start coming in. Yes. Alright guys, thank you all for watching.